Hi dear, I'm Vicky from Venus here. Today this video we will talk how to choose different density wig when you customize the one wig. Okay, like for example, we accept customized order, use different color or frontal plus the bundles to make the wig for you, right? So how to choose the right density for yourself? For example, when we in summer or winter, we can choose different density. In summer, we can choose lower density because of the hot weather, and in the winter, we can choose some full wig. Okay, like for example, in the summer, you can choose like 200 density. That is natural look and not very hot. But in the winter, you can choose like 250 density or 300 density, like this for wig. And another way you can choose the density is what lace do you want to make your wig. For example, use 4x4 or by 30x6, 30x4 or 2x6 Kimi Closure. For example, like this Kimi Closure, 20 inch. If you use only 2 bundles here, like example 20 inch, that is maybe too thin for the wig. So you need at least about 2.5 bundles or 3 bundles to make this wig for you. But if you use an ear-to-ear frontal wig, like 20 inch, 2 bundles is already very full. Yes. So also depends the lace you want to use. Okay. Hi dear. The third thing is about the length. When you want long hair, like 30 inch, 32 inch or longer, you can use 3 bundles plus the lace you want, okay? And if very short, like the bob, I think even the Kimi Closure 2 bundles is already very full. Even the bundles for the like 10, 8 or 12 inch, you can see. Also depends on the length you want. Okay, so in a word, winter and summer, you can choose different density. And the second is depends on the lace you want. And the third is depends on the length you choose, okay? Yes, the fourth one is depends on different style you want. Like for the straight, you can choose higher density. Like the African curl, you can choose lower density because when you come out of here, the looks already looks very full, okay? Yeah, I hope this video can help you to choose the right density when you customize order a wig for yourself, okay? And if any more questions, comment below. I will make a video for you to answer your questions.